What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Looking at the situation of things right here, we could see that Bitcoin is still doing very well. It's holding up very well regardless. So, which is very, very good to take note of. I can't lie. It's very good to take note of right here because looking at it from the daily, you could see it's holding up very, very well. Now, from this first chart right here, you could see I added this horizontal line at 73,265 dollars yesterday, and you could see it clearly. I made it known to us that the moment we are breaking below this major level right here at $73,265, we are most likely going to be dumping even much lower to probably the $70,000 level, or we could still be rallying all the way from here to probably into the $78,000, depending on how massive the rally is going to be. So you could see right here that this is most likely going to be the confirmation candle forming in order for us to rally much higher. So I think it's either we get a fake pump, a fake rally this Sunday, whereby the market ends up reversing, or it could be a genuine pump. So looking at the whole situation of things, looking at the other charts, we could see also that we are still doing very much well, especially if I should flip this to the 4 hours time frame. You could see after we broke below this major level, we reclaimed, found support around here. So we could still rally into 75,000 level, into this range right here. We could still rally into this range all the way to $75,000, or we could end up getting rejected from here. It all depends on the weekend rally. If this weekend rally is genuine, then we're most likely going to see a continuation of the rally into the week or into the new month. And that aside, if we move this to the monthly time frame right here, you could see that even from this other chart right here, based on the monthly time frame, I think everything is still kind of looking bearish, because even from the monthly time frame right now, we have gotten rejected from the level we definitely needed to get rejected from. If I should take all of this away for more clarity, because this chart is meant to be analyzed from the weekly perspective, from the weekly time frame. So if I should remove all of this, you could see it clearly right here. And if I also remove this, because that wasn't also included in this chart, you could see that most importantly, we got rejected from this major level right here, which I have made it known to us before. If I should move to the weekly time frame right here, because it's the weekly, obviously, you could see that we've gotten rejected from this resistance right here, which is definitely what we need to take note of. And you could see we broke out of this resistance, rally all the way into this level. We got a fake out from this level at 79,850 all the way into 81,000 level. Now we've gotten rejected. We are dropping all the way down to 70,000. We could drop all the way to this level before rallying higher. This might be so. I might probably start opening a long position the moment Bitcoin starts dropping, but I do know for a fact that we could see it right here, that this is definitely a very critical support level for Bitcoin, because anything that will make Bitcoin drop below $60,000, we are most likely going to see a massive pullback all the way down here to $32,000, or we could drop even as low as $15,000, or probably we could drop as low as $16,000. So this is how crazy things can get. But I'm not seeing this playing out. What I'm seeing playing out is probably I will start accumulating once Bitcoin manages to drop all the way down here to $60,000. I will start accumulating Bitcoin. I'm even tempted to start opening a Bitcoin position right now, Bitcoin long position right now, because who knows, we could end up finding support around here. We might never see Bitcoin dropping all the way down to below $59,000 this year. I'm having a rethink of it, because you could see even from the monthly time frame right here, in the month in the year 2024, you could see that all the way from February to October, we were most likely consolidating, and we could get that crazy move, this massive consolidation right here, we could also get it around this level too. So it's a possibility, which is why I might be tempted to start opening a long position on Bitcoin anytime from now. So I will just wait for how this Sunday rally is going to be before I get into it, because I think we are most likely going to get a consolidation this year also before we get to the rally. We might not see Bitcoin dropping all the way down to $36,000 or $40,000 as people are actually analyzing or predicting. So I think with the look of things, this is definitely going to be my take on this. If Bitcoin drops all the way down to even $70,000, I will start adding my margin. I will start opening my Bitcoin long position, because with the look of things, I might just open it with a 2x leverage. Yeah, I might open it with a 2-3x leverage just in case. But for now, I'll wait for a major move all the way down to 70. If I should see its reaction from 70, if it ends up dropping low, I will be very happy, because I would want to open my long position all the way from either 65 to $60,000. So I think this is definitely going to be it for now. So moving on to the other chart right here, we could see that from this level right here, you could say that we are most likely finding support around this major support right here from this fib level. So you could see all the way from here, we are at this area of support at $73,533. So it's either we find support around here, we rally and consolidate within this range before breaking out either above 75,000, or we are most likely going to be dumping below this level right here at below 73,500, and we'll end up dumping even much lower. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind right here. Sorry about that. I think this is definitely what we should have in mind to play out for Bitcoin. So the moment Bitcoin breaks below this major support at 73,500, we are most likely going to be dumping much lower. So I think this is definitely all I can say for now. Moving into the other charts right here, we could see clearly right here that okay, this is ETH. I think I'm majorly done with this with the Bitcoin chart. So looking at the USDT right here, the USDT dominance, we could see the USDT dominance is looking weak. But left to me, I still do believe that we are most likely going to see the USDT. Maybe the USDT dominance has kind of let me redo this, guys. Let me redo this in order for us to be sure. So yep, if I should redo this right here, we could say that it has most likely retested major level, guys. We've retested major level, because if I should remove this from here, you could see, guys, we've retested major levels right here, which is definitely what I have been saying. The moment we break out of this major resistance from this bull flag pattern, we drop all the way down here to find support. We are most likely going to be rallying next week. So a very massive pullback we are probably to be expecting. Though I opened a long position, a long-term position on XRP, I do not know how that is going to play out. And also Litecoin, I opened a long-term position on Litecoin and XRP. I might be tempted to exit those positions if I should see how the market is going to be reacting to things right now, because this right here is mostly bearish for risk on assets. And looking at price of crude oil right now, the crude oil might end up dropping, but the whole geopolitical tension might not drop. The whole war and escalation and all what's not might not drop. So even earlier Monday morning, we might end up seeing Trump dropping a very crazy news, which will end up making the price of crude oil even rallying. So I think everything is kind of calm right now, nothing too serious. And looking at the S&P 500, it's still looking strong, still trading at an all-time high. Just like I said, we're most likely going to see the S&P 500 running all the way to 7,677. We could break out of there, do some little bit of fake out before dumping even much lower. So I think we need to be careful about this level at $7,676. So yep, that is basically all I can say right now. The market as a whole is, doing its thing. I will definitely be here to keep us updated on altcoins. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.